This is another test of my Panasonic Lumix waterproof camera. I'm just seeing how well it captures things up close, because that other shot that I was doing was kind of a far away shot. It does have a zoom, I believe it's digital, but it may be optical. So this is zoomed all the way out. I'm going to crouch down so that the top of the signal is higher. I'm just going to zoom in on the bell. I just want to see what this looks like, to see if I should use this to video stuff instead of my phone, because at the moment my phone's touchscreen is very not working properly and it makes it a bit hard to use. See if I can zoom in on the very end of the gate light. The zoom's quite slow, and there is a way that I can make the zoom longer, just changing the settings, and I'll play around with that too. Also, I put this retro reflector post in front of it that someone gave to me, because that's kind of a thing here. And I've also got this pole that has the top of it that you open. I'm going to have a switch in there for it, and you put a lock on it too. That's going to be coming soon. I'll turn it on and see how well it distinguishes the lights. Turn the bell off. So yeah, this is what the Panasonic Lumix waterproof camera looks like. Zoom all the way in again. And back out. I wanted to see how well still images looked with the Panasonic Lumix waterproof camera. This was taken with the flash on, and because I use retro reflectors in the lights, they appear to be lit up, but they're actually not. That's just the lights reflecting the flash back. So again, let me know if you think this camera is better than my phone. I haven't really done any zooming or still images with my phone, but I'm just experimenting to see what the best way to use this camera is, and that will depend on what the future videos look like, whether there'll be a combination of video and still pictures, or just video. Here we have a shot without the flash. You can see the lights look a bit more normal. They're actually off. By the way, I'm recording this just with my MacBook Air, early 2014 MacBook Air. Just the built-in microphone is what I'm using to record the voice recording that you're hearing right now. Here's a photo of the bell. This wasn't zoomed in. This was zoomed all the way out. Sorry about the noise that you'll hear outside. My dad is blowing leaves. But here is a zoomed out picture of the gate, and I'm just now noticing there's a white line on the screen. I wonder if there was a bit of dirt or something on my camera. But anyway, here, this is what the zoomed out photo of the gate looks like. And here we have a photo zoomed in of the gate light. This wasn't zoomed in all the way, it was just zoomed in enough to make it, like it was zoomed in enough so that you could see it. So yeah, that's what a zoomed in photo of the gate light looks like. Okay, this is the Panasonic Lumix on advanced underwater mode, which from all I can tell actually just makes the zoom in further. Please let me know if the image quality has actually changed. It's hard for me to tell. So that's 16 times zoom. Yeah, it's definitely a digital zoom though. Let's find the top of the gate. There it is. That's 7 times zoom. That's 5 times zoom, and then yeah. But let me know what the image quality is like and stuff, and if I should use this or my phone, depending on if I can, because my phone, like I said before, isn't very usable at the moment. See if I can show you. It's not responding to home button. Yeah, see, the touch screen just isn't responding. Sometimes it will respond if I peel it back a bit, because yeah, it peels back. You can see inside it. And now there's white lines down the side of the screen. But yeah, it's... See if I can get to the camera from the lock screen. Yeah, so if I can, I'll try and use... Because I'm going to see an abandoned railway crossing today, so if I can, I'll film it on my phone, but if not, it'll be on this camera. Other test of my Panasonic Lumix waterproof camera. We're just going to zoom in on this street light right here. See how well you can see that. And again, tell me if this is better than my phone. I don't think I've really zoomed much on my phone, because I know it's bad. But just the image quality and audio quality in general, let me know if it's any better than my iPhone. Zoom in on that light over there. Yeah. Okay. Let me know which camera I should use, my phone or this camera. Again, this is a Panasonic Lumix underwater camera. Here we have a still picture of the Sylvania Burkhill streetlight that I was testing the zoom capabilities on. And here is a very, very zoomed in photo of that urban. And there's a slightly zoomed out photo of that same urban. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Should I use the Lumix camera or my phone? But at the moment I only can really use the Lumix camera. But again, just let me know what's better, because I want to know what you think in your opinion.